Question for you guys. Have you ever made anything out of these scrap pieces from your cutting boards? Make sure to leave a comment down below because honestly I'm super interested to see what else you can make with this. Okay, so now that everything's been inspected, let's cut them down to size. The size that I'm aiming for is 1.25 inches wide and 3/4 inch tall. Most of these pieces I was able to cut down right in the center, giving me 2 pieces from each cutting board end. And the one thing I did like about this is that it left the end grain facing up, which kind of gives it a little bit more character. Now as I was doing this, I did notice that I felt like some of the pieces were a little loose, and I gave it a quick smack